Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sharing Microsoft Teams tips and tricks for beginners, helping you get the most out of this powerful collaboration tool. If you're new to Teams or want to get more efficient, this guide is for you. 1. Organize your teams with channels. Teams lets you create channels within a team to keep conversations and projects organized. You can create channels for different topics, departments, or projects. This helps keep everything in one place and makes it easy to find relevant discussions. #2. Use @mentions to get attention. To get someone's attention in a conversation, use the @mention feature. Type @ followed by their name, and they'll receive a notification. This is great for asking questions or ensuring someone sees your message. 3. Pin important conversations. If you have a conversation or channel that you refer to often, you can pin it to the top of your team's dashboard. This keeps your important discussions easily accessible so you don't have to scroll through everything to find them. 4. Schedule meetings directly in Teams. Scheduling a meeting in Teams is simple. Click on the Calendar tab on the left sidebar, then click New Meeting. Fill in the details like time, invitees, and agenda. Teams will send out invites and even provide a link to join the meeting. 5. Share your screen during meetings. During meetings, you can share your screen with others to present documents, slides, or your desktop. Click on the Share Content button and select what you want to share. You can also choose whether to share your entire screen or just a specific window. 6. Use background effects in video calls. Make your video calls more fun or professional by using background effects. Click on the ellipsis 3 dots in the meeting controls and choose Apply Background Effects. You can blur your background or choose from a selection of virtual backgrounds. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to navigate Microsoft Teams with ease and make the most of its features. Are you using Teams for work or school? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.